Ekinyetie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya uruti wa wira, minista wa uruti wira Samuel Chelugui ne hinyiriirie kuga ministry yake ndigweterera kuona ringi mukenya agicokio bururi-ini ari mukuo kana akigerera minyamariko ari bururi-ini uria thiete kurutira wira.
Mungu ndiye ameumba sisi sote.
Chelugui ni ugite ni mambikite mitaratara ya gutigirira aria othe marathie gwetha mawira mabũrũri-inĩ ma Kiarabu muno bũrũri-inĩ wa Saudi Arabia ni macokereria bũrũri-inĩ maria agima kuona kwa ihinda-inĩ rĩa miaka 5 a Kenya 93,000 macokete maria ku.
And we must put in place measures to correct that anomaly and ensure Kenyans who cross our borders to in search for greener pastures come back home safely, that the green pastures truly becomes an opportunity and not kind of they lead them to lose their lives or suffer. So we've strengthened a number of strategies. The Musanet is a new idea. It is a revolution in the labor market. This is a platform that enables employers and employees to engage.
Oho ni ugite ni megukanjira marua kambuni iria ciethagira airitu aya mawira ukirikana imwe ciacio ni ciunite mawatho na gucungiriria Kenya kunyamario kana kuragwo undu uria augite ni wambiriirie kumurikwo ni body ya ministry no.
The governments, our destination governments, are responding. The kafala system is now over. They have withdrawn the kafala system where Kenyans will be denied passports and travel documents. Now it is an illegal document, an illegal process in those countries. These are efforts that we are putting in place.
Akiaga kuiganira na anja ya ciuriria mekuritie Chelugui, mubunge wa guthukio Godfrey Otsoti ni ugite agenti mafatie kuerwo ikinye ihiu kuona hau kabere muiritu umwe kuma kaunti-ini ya Vihiga na uria wathiete kuruta wira wa nyumba bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia ni ahurire thimu kuri agenti aria mamutwarite bururi-ini ucio akiuria cokio guku bururi-ini no indi etheirwo wira kundu kungi kuria mumwandiki amuohithirie njera na gucoka gukorwo akwiriire kuo na njira iri na kiriga.
Unfortunately, she was arrested and taken in. When she was arrested, she talked to her lawyer and her lawyer demanded that she should be released from prison. It took all that time. On the day she was supposed to be released, she was found dead on her prison bed with the feet, hands, and the back stained with blood.
Agitetera Chelugui ni ugite ndeto ino ni iramurikwo na kinyi guku akiendekithia kuongererwo kwa namba ya aruti a wira aria megukorwo magikuruhanio na kumenya Kenya aria marathie kuruta wira bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia kuona kwa ihinda riri kuri na muruti umwe tu wa wira uri urarumbuiania na raia a Kenya aria mararuta wira bururi-ini ucio.
Mungu ndiye ameumba sisi sote.
Thiko igiri hituku miri ya airitu 12 ni yakinyirio guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia na aria mathiete gwitha mawira kuo gukirikana amwe ao matungitio bara ya githigithanio kunyitwo kia hinya undu umwe na kuragwo guku riboti kuma bururi-ini ucio ikiuga makwite na njira ya kwiruta muoyo kana ya kiriga.
Girls are being killed, molested, intimidated in Saudi Arabia. I think Parliament and chair your committee, this is a very serious matter.
Kuhana uguo Chelugui ni ugite ni megwika uthuthuria wao baranginyo na gucoka kuheana riboti yao thutha wa mweri umwe.